Today, take a look at the NICRON L71. So we do have our instructions. We have a charging cable, that is USB-A to USB-C. We have a replacement seal, and we have got our flashlight. That is a very neat rubber texture there they got for the grip. So the main selling point right here is that we have a straight flashlight, and we also have a 90-degree flashlight. It does have a magnet on the bottom, and that does hold itself up. So if you want to set this on a surface and have it pointing straight forward, we can have it like that, or we can just have it like a standard flashlight. You got a single LED in there with a reflector around the outside. It does come with a clip, and it appears that we can also remove that. So if we don't want to have the clip, we can actually take that completely off. We got our charging port right here on the side, and that is USB-C. And that is using an 18650 battery, so very easy to replace these. And it does appear that they put an isolator in there, so you don't have to worry about draining the battery while that is in shipment. So here's our power button. That's interesting. So it is a press and hold to turn it on. So we actually have 4 brightness levels. And that 4th is quite bright. So if we change that to high and we shut it off, then we turn it back on, that does go back to high. So that's excellent. So in the event that we find a mode that we like and we want to keep it there, all we have to do is press and hold and we'll go right back to that mode. If we press and hold a little longer, we actually have a red light mode. You can see it lights up that ring around the outside. Now it's going to light up red so you can still see, but because this is red, in the event that you need to turn this off, you'll still be able to see at night the same way that you did before. Whereas if you had the white light, whenever you turn the light off, your irises have to reopen. So nice that we got that function. If we hold it even longer, then we got our strobe mode. SOS. And off. Pretty cool. Okay, so here's what I see with no light. Here is the moonlight, low, medium, and high. So that actually puts out quite a bit of light. I also like that it's got that spot in the center so that I can kind of highlight something and I'm not really destroying my night vision. Because sometimes if there's a big flood, it's kind of harder to see what you're actually looking at. Okay, so now I'm in a dark room. This is moonlight. It is enough that you can see things. Maybe not everything, but you can see. Area is low, and that's actually pretty darn good. Medium, high. And that pretty much lights up this entire hallway. And plus with the fact that we can just stick that to a wall, that makes for a pretty fancy little light. Very neat. So I'm happy with that.